Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zwift on a spin bike. It's a fantastic way to bring the excitement of virtual cycling indoors, transforming your regular spin sessions into engaging adventures. You don't need a smart trainer to join the fun. With just a few simple accessories, you can connect your existing spin bike to the immersive world of Zwift. This guide will walk you through every step, ensuring you're ready to ride in no time. Get ready to explore virtual roads and connect with a global community of cyclists. To get started with Zwift on your spin bike, you'll need a few key pieces of equipment. Of course, your spin bike is the foundation. Crucially, you'll need a speed and cadence sensor to transmit your pedaling data. An ANT Plus or Bluetooth receiver will bridge the connection between these sensors and your device. Finally, a computer, tablet, or smartphone running the Zwift application will display your virtual world. These items work together to create a seamless and interactive indoor cycling experience for you. Once you have your equipment, setting up is straightforward. First, securely attach your speed and cadence sensor to your spin bike, typically on the crank arm and wheel hub. Next, ensure your ANT Plus or Bluetooth receiver is plugged into or enabled on your device. Open the Zwift application and navigate to the pairing screen. Here, you'll pair your speed sensor as a speed sensor and your cadence sensor as a cadence sensor. This step establishes the vital connection for your virtual rides. With your sensors paired, you're almost ready to ride. In Zwift, select a classic trainer or speed sensor option for power estimation, as your spin bike doesn't provide direct power data. You might perform a quick spin-down calibration if prompted, or simply adjust your bike's resistance to match the virtual terrain. Now, dive into the virtual worlds, join group rides, or tackle structured workouts. Remember to adjust your spin bike's physical resistance to simulate climbs and efforts, making your Zwift experience truly immersive and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.